Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Westminster local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a fully licensed Westminster moving company with more than 2 decades of experience in the moving industry. From packing to unpacking, our list of services covers all that you will need for your big move. We value your time, so expect us to start moving the day exactly on schedule. Pricing is both affordable and transparent. Each of our customers can receive a quote to find out how much our quality services amount to. If you're moving to another state or country, you want to be sure your belongings arrive safely. Packing up your car isn't an option, so you will need an excellent moving company on your team. Your things will be protected for the big journey with the special packaging that our professional movers use, making the move a whole lot easier. There isn't anything you'll have to fret about. You might be tempted to try to move your things all on your own if your new home or office is just a short drive away, but once you start, you'll realize it's much more than a full day's work by yourself. One of our many specialties is local moves. In one day, we can pack your things and unpack them into your new space. You'll have plenty of time left in the evening to kick back and enjoy your moving day party. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Westminster moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.